Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to AnimeCon, the first one in London, and very exciting. I am running slightly late because I was meant to start getting ready at 6:30, and I didn't want to, so I started getting ready at 7. So now I'm speed walking to the train station, so I'm not late to meet the American at the train station. Oh my god! As long as they're not late. Part of me hopes they are running late, so then we can get a later train. Yeah, very excited. I'm doing how today. You can tell when I'm care less about a costume I made because it just gets scrunched. Hopefully it will be a fun con. And yeah, travel montage time. So my wishes came true and they are running late. So I got off at that station and I'm waiting on the platform for them. So I made it to the train and got sweaty for no reason. But it's okay. So instead, I'm just chilling. But they are going to the shops and hopefully they're grabbing me a drink. Them doing that won't make them even later because they've got 15 minutes for the next train. So if they're not here in 15 minutes, I'm a sue. But it did give me a chance to put on some lip gloss and get out and also put on my coat properly. A Kinder Bueno. I fucking love Kinder Buenos. I had a Kinder Bueno advent calendar and it was so good. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, well. Late. I don't blame you though. You're not at fault. Late. Oh, admits it.
Guilty.
Wow, guilty party. But at least we're all here now. Oh my god, are we all actually on the train?
Angle.
It's because I could go like that.
You could just do that.
I didn't realise that. I forgot that was an option. Sorry. Okay.
I need to chug this nut. Stay awake.
Oh, chug.
Yeah.
Advertise. Wow. Oh my god, are we headed? Yes, we are headed.
I just walk.
You just walk?
Underneath it, you just walk.
Oh yeah, you do just walk. Shit. In the song Ring Around the Roses, is it a tissue, or ashes? It's tissue. We all put no tissue. It's a child's rhyme. It's a kid's rhyme about the plague. It's tissue.
No, it's ashes.
Tissue, we all fall down. We found it. Let's go. Ikea. Fucking loud motorcycle. Fuck off. We're in Lloyd. We got the passes. Brendan's a creator. Players.
Sure.
Excuse me, Miss Creator and Miss Creator. Oh my god. We've lost Cave. Cave has died. Well, Cave has disappeared for us. Cave's abandoned us. I wanted to show that we had Cave back, but then Cave ran away to talk to Star.
Cave is still abandoning us.
Cave keeps abandoning us. We've been abandoned by Cave again. Oh, now you join us again.
Yes, I'm back. I need to put my jacket off in the cloakroom over there.
It automatically turned on. Oh, that's fun. Didn't know I did that.
Nice.
Cool. Oh my god, we're organised.
I'm not.
Well,
Yes.
you're Cave, so it makes sense. You're Cave. Now we head into con and find a bathroom. We don't get bags, but we're sadness. But we are on an escalator, and this is literally an IKEA. It is so iconic. Dramatic entrance. Oh my god, it's the cart! It's the famous cart! Our favourite cart.
It's the cart.
It's the cart! Yeah, I've got to prioritise the cart. Jay's here as well. Hello! And cart. My hero. It is.
It carries
Cart.
everything.
It carries our hearts.
Do you think we will ever eventually buy anything?
No.
Sadness.
We've been abandoned
Yeah.
with the cart.
Yup.
Everyone else is in the toilet.
Yup.
Yop,
Yup.
yop,
Yup.
yop,
Yup.
yop.
Yup. Yup.
Can you do My Heart Will Go On it?
Oh my god.
Okay, come on. Go on.
I can't. They just play.
Do the music.
The most scuffed la la la. It might not be. His hairline is not straight. This is so
Drug dealer gave me shrooms.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sideways.
Shrooms. Tesco shrooms.
Good shrooms. Hunting down the maid cafe to give CJ ears.
Oh my god. What? My jaw.
How did you pop your jaw?
I went again.
Oh my god. Can't take you nowhere. You want to know why? Because you're American. It's CJ! Surprise CJ.
Surprise.
And fancy guest CJ.
Yeah.
Bougie. The honour. Oh my god, we get to meet these cosplayers, CJ cosplayers, in a beautiful mount. I love that fabric. Sorry, get distracted. But yeah.
Get out taking a selfie with a Tainari because he's a Tainari simp.
Inside the car, it's the almighty Ikea. It does feel like a car boot sale for anime. It does feel like a car boot sale. But there's so many new artists and it looks so cool. We shopping. There's so much good art. I know. How much good art?
A lot.
How much good art?
Too much.
Ah, we're gonna go broke, but it'll be worth it because of all the pretty art.
Overthrow the tyrant.
It's Genshin YouTuber Atsu. What a legend. Paimon has been received! Red Paimon's back! Yes! Hi, welcome to the Genshin meetup. We are all in Genshin cosplay. Definitely all in Genshin.
I'm Columbina's distant relative.
And I'm Kave's uncle. Third cousin? Wow!
Unreleased characters.
Unreleased characters. Coming soon to your Genshin game.
6-star character, of course.
Six stars, yes, yes. This is Chaos of Genshin Beats. To be fair, it's pretty well organised.
Sorry for making you third cousin. Would you like to be second cousin?
What?
Sorry for making you third cousin.
Oh, it's a... Oh.
We're gonna see what we got on the.
Shimmy back a little bit because otherwise it's just close up on your face. Beautiful.
Genshin. We got the twisted one leg.
Genshin.
This is definitely Genshin.
This is Genshin.
Yeah.
Definitely.
No fucking clue what I'm gonna get these, but
What are you gonna
it's gonna be
get?
my boys.
It's gonna be your boys. And definitely not the two characters you don't want. It's a bean!
Okay.
Oh, hello! Ah! How are you doing? You okay?
Hi.
Surprise!
We got the bean.
Oh, you got the bean! A mystery?
Jade.
Oh, very nice.
We got Ruggy.
Isn't that one that you didn't want?
No, I do want.
Oh, you did want.
Leona's the one I don't
Ah,
want. From that.
yeah, we got one that we wanted.
I like Ruggy. He's my favourite from Savannah Claw.
Ah,
We put those back in there and we got the last
One more.
second packet.
one more.
Right. I'm really bad at opening things.
It's okay. We support.
Oh, I got one of my dear Samuel bees.
You got your baby.
Look, it's a bear.
Oh,
He's such a silly little guy.
he's so
This
pretty.
is one of my sons.
It's your son.
This is one of technically Lilia's technically adopted sons.
Oh,
Mystery.
oh.
I got Trey. He's one of my favourite characters.
Ah, yes. You should be. Oh! Yes! You did it! You did it! Yes! They're all praising the primo. Ah, iconic. I've been given many cheddars again. Many cheddars. I've been blessed. Let's arm wrestle him. I'm now the king of drug deals. I've now done a drug deal with
Now successfully traded.
and Sakura. You're next, coming.
No, thank you.
Drug deals coming up. JK is for a ticket for a party. I'm not doing anything illegal. Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll.
The fact that they got Crunchyroll to come here is already amazing.
Yeah, it's actually quite powerful.
Yeah, because you can get funding from them. You're a little close.
We heard the words, and can I also? Which means bad financial decisions are happening. Yup. You've made great financial decisions. You were smart with your purchases. Show the people. Look how gorgeous the boy. And can you see the stickers? Have you got the sticker? Oh,
And there's a Vanitas and Noe in there as well.
Beautiful.
But I got a Ninus in like his like little cat boy.
He's a little cat boy. He's so cute. Look at this gorgeous full metal art, isn't there? And then death. And then also got the gays. Silent disco be popping. It's got more than the 3 people it had in it earlier. Bad financial decisions are happening. But we appreciate it. It's good for the economy. Oh, it's a boy! It's a boy! We're having rummage. What's that?
Isn't that so nice? No, it's not. So like your character.
When the Genshin player runs out of money and can't afford to buy you anymore. We're waiting to get to the stall of the good art. You know it's good art. There's one more that I want to go to.
And there's one more, right?
Yeah, but it's back over there because I wanted to do a wraparound. Oh my god, is that famous cosplayer, CJ Cosplays, guest at AnimeCon, taking selfies at the wall? Oh my god, whoa! Welcome to our mukbang. Aesthetic pictures of food.
As I'm adjusting my pants.
Well, I can film you adjusting your pants if you want. No.
I was about to put my wallet in my boobs. I got the phone out.
Yeah, I got the phone out and I'm filming you so everyone knows that you were planning to put your phone in your tits. But look at pretty Chiliana and Breadman. Buns were good, so we're getting more buns.
It was so good.
They were so yummy.
The best buns.
Not as good as yours. Ciao. Ciao. Bow buns times 2. Ciao. Oh, you're foreheading.
Foreheading?
Well, you were scratching your forehead.
Does it hurt? It
Oh.
doesn't hurt, it's just itchy.
Do you need me to blow it? The amazingness of technology. Shout out to you for charging the phone. Shout out to you for not having a fucking charger. Magic. We're done eating, so now we're gonna go and get their persona stuff, go check lockers, film some TikToks, and all that good shit. I saw thingy's amazing Klee, and it was stunning. Ooh, that's very exciting. Don't judge me, I was excited about the Klee cosplay. Do you want to know what's wrong?
My third cousin.
Oh, but yes, my third cousin. Hello, my cousin. For the extended family. For the video for the extended family.
family finally
Oh my lord. Yes. Yeah, but we got Catgirl Howl, Catboy Howl. I don't know. Yeah.
I'm tired.
Nice to meet you, tired of Howl.
Hi, Hal. I'm people.
People. Whoa. I just think of Mads Mikkelsen whenever you say people. Yes.
Lily is a people.
Nah, Mads Mikkelsen.
He's an old man.
So is Mads Mikkelsen.
People is 700 years old.
Oh damn, he's not that old.
Yeah.
People is Mads Mikkelsen, aka Hannibal Lecter.
However, I found out the person who sings for the Angel Dust is not him. He sang in the attic, but they changed it for the series. Yeah, they.
Oh my god, it's the new member of the Fatui. It's Kame. Kame, why? I know you were broke, but there's no reason to join the Fatui. No.
Well, they offered me money. So,
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
More than you can imagine.
Standards.
I just need to design the new,
The new hideout, new fortress.
new hideout. So yeah.
Banging. Congrats,
free
man.
Accommodation, free food, everything.
They
They're
really-
the best employer.
I have stick. Yay! Oh my god, it's a cousins drink party. It's ooky spooky in the house, kids. Ooky spooky. We're getting drink number 2. Yes. It's round 2, boys. Woo! Because
I'm eating my hair.
you're eating your hair. Don't eat your hair, cousin. Right.
So dark.
What? I don't know.
Bring back the lights.
Bring back the lights. We need something beautiful. But here we are. Second drinks in. Cheers.
Cheers. Party time.
Woo! Hello, it's Jonko here to fill in for Sober Owl's inability to do shit. I had an amazing time at AnimeCon, had an amazing time at the after party. I am absolutely bloody hammered. Met so many amazing people and it was such a good con. Thank you so much everyone, and I want to say a massive thank you to Rin, For and Megha, because you guys saved my life as I was peeking my guts out, and now I've got a pizza and a cup of tea to enjoy. I would highly recommend AnimeCon if you are ever going, because it was so much fun and it was so good, and there were so many amazing artists, like artists I've never seen before, like MCM and that shit. So like so good. So thank you so much. Bye.